Good morning, your Miracle Oville. Miss Oville, did you get someone hired?
No,
You didn't?
no,
Who'd you talk to?
no, Jones.
Speak up, I can't hear you.
Yeah.
You didn't speak up. Talk louder. Who? Dunham and Jones, okay. Who else?
The guy I can't remember. I just have to check this.
I can't understand
The
you.
other guy I can't remember. I can't remember.
Mr. Parker, can y'all hold it down? I'm having a hard time hearing.
So the other guy I can't remember. I just have a text message from. I don't remember his name. I didn't speak with him. We kind of went through like.
Why didn't you, so you've been here before, why didn't you write all that down and bring it to me like I asked you to?
I did, but I had it in my phone. I didn't transfer it to paper. I hadn't had it.
Well, where's your phone?
It's right in my phone.
Okay, tell me, I want to know the 3 lawyers that you talked to that I asked you to do.
It was the guy. Defendants, Jones. Technically, I talked to two. It was
Yeah, you're just mumbling.
technically, I talked to two of the people at Defendants, Jones. I know.
You talked to 2 different lawyers there?
Yeah, I didn't realize that. One of the name was Matt Shanks. The other one.
You actually went and visited with them?
Mr. Shanks.
Okay.
Because remember, I don't live out here, so I couldn't.
Well, obviously I don't remember. I
Oh,
do
I'm
this every
sorry, I'm
week
sorry.
with
No,
the
I don't-
courtroom is full of. Okay, so you've talked on the phone with,
Yeah, and that's who I was mainly pretty much moving forward since I had talked to both of them.
okay,
And we had they pretty much gave me basically a fair rate and stuff like that.
okay.
So
So when are you gonna get them hired?
I want to say hopefully soon. Before
What is that? I don't know what that means.
by the 31st.
Okay,
July.
I'm gonna reset your case one more time. You need to get someone hired before that next court date. If it's not gonna work out with them or one of those people at Dunham and Jones, then you need to talk to at least 3 others and you need to have those names ready on who you actually spoke with when you come back, okay?
Okay.
Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you a reset notice. Good morning, are you Clifton Bush Jr.?
Yeah.
And Mr. Bush, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
Yeah.
You hired somebody?
Oh.
You did not hire anyone? Okay. Did y'all talk to some lawyers?
Yes, ma'am.
You did? Are you working?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Mr. Bush, I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning. You have some family members with you? All right, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Y'all need to fill it out accurately and completely. Don't leave it blank. If something doesn't apply, make a notation of that, and then I'll take a look at it. You're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct, so make sure you fill it all out right, okay? You'll step in front of the clerk on the end. She'll give you that paperwork. Good morning, sir. Are you Lance White?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. White, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26 DCCR 0803. You're charged with a 3rd-degree felony offense of unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon from October 3rd of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Speak up, please.
Spoke with Brittany Holmes and I've been with advice, but I haven't been.
All right, so what I'm going to do, Mr. White, is reset your case about 30 days or so to give you some time to see if you can get someone hired. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before that next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me those names of who you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
Yes.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order and you would go back to jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, if you'll step in front of the clerk, she'll give you a reset notice. Daryl All, right, sir, you're Daryl Albritton.
Yes, I
Did you get someone hired?
Still looking, but I did what you told me to do, the 401k thing. Yeah, that.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, and I got another one, with a company called Fidelity. It got 9. So altogether is like 3K or something, but I'm waiting on my ID. So I can't do nothing till I get my ID.
Have you already gone to apply to
I already talked to the people. They just waiting on my ID in
your,
the mail.
okay, so you've already got your ID coming.
Yes. So I'm just waiting on that.
Any idea how long that's supposed to take?
No, man. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but you know.
But you're working, right?
Yes, but I ain't go to work for a week because I had transportation problems.
No,
so
but
I
you've been
just never
coming here
talked.
for,
I know. And I got a lot of things going on outside of here, outside of work, but I'm gonna get it handled though.
well, you were supposed to get all that done in about a day.
I'm sorry.
Well, it's, the thing is, I don't think you're going to, I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning, but I don't think with your job that you're gonna qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. I'll take a look at it. If you do, fine. If not, then you and I are about to have a serious conversation about you getting this stuff taken care of.
Yes, ma'am.
Step in front of the clerk, fill it out accurately and completely. You're gonna swear under oath that it's true, right? Tevin Edmondson, good morning. You're Tevin Edmondson. And Mr. Edmondson, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
I was coming this morning to ask the court, if I could leave like at least another week or two, because I had got hit by a car and broken my knee. So I didn't have no movement. I had just been stuck in bed. I got an excuse, but, I'm start moving around today, so I can go try to, talk to me, bring it home. I gotta call to see if I can see them, but I do have my money saved up. I was just trying to,
Okay.
can I get a little more?
Sure, thank you. And obviously I can see that you had something happen. I'm gonna do a normal reset. So that's 30 days. That should give you plenty of time to get someone hired. If you do bring that reset to them, if for some reason you're not going to be able to, make sure you talk to at least 3, bring me those names, and then we'll discuss your options. All right, step in front of the clerk.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Yes, sir. Lylvester Hassan. Good morning, sir. You're Lylvester Hassan. And Mr. Hassan, were you here before?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Were you able to get a lawyer hired?
I talked to Mr. James, and this is something we agreed upon. I didn't need more than 30 days to get the money.
Okay, but you're planning on hiring him?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to do one more reset, Mr. Hassan, to see if you can get Mr. Macon hired between now and that next court date. If you do, just bring the reset notice to him. If you're unable and you don't think that's going to work out, then you need to talk to at least 3 others and bring me those names, okay?
Okay, how do I do like a court appointment?
Well, if you,
In time.
so if you have the money to hire someone, then you're required to hire them. And you don't know that unless you talk to enough. So if you can hire Mr. Macon, great. If not, if that's too expensive, then you need to let me know, bring the names of who you've talked to when you come back. And then I'll see about you filling out the paperwork and I'll take a look at it to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. But I want you to attempt to get him or someone hired first, okay? All right, step in front of the clerk right here. Good morning, ma'am. You're Christy Johnson. Ms. Johnson, were you able to get someone hired?
Well, I remember I said I was gonna go with Mr. Marvin court appointment John, but I was gonna pay him with cash. So I was looking for him to get the job. So why I can pay him.
Okay,
And I'm in a job and we go to pay a 240. So,
to Mr. Lewis's today?
well, to the job.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to call Mr. Lewis and I can't never get in contact with him.
Well, that's,
My main thing was getting the money to pay.
so you start working today?
Yes.
Where are you gonna be working?
Waffle House.
Okay, and you think you'll be able to get him or someone hired if I give you another reset? So I'm gonna reset your case one more time. You've been here a few times, so it's gonna be time for you to get someone hired. If for some reason you can't hire him or someone else, when you come back, bring a pay stub as well, so that if you fill out that paperwork, I can take a look at that and know exactly what you're making and whether you qualify for a court appointed, okay?
My job anyway.
Okay,
Yeah.
step in front of the clerk, she'll give you a reset notice. Good morning, ma'am. You're Desiree Doucette?
Yes.
And Ms. Doucette, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26, DCCR 0757. You're charged with the 3rd-degree felony offense of deadly conduct, discharging a firearm, and that's from May 20th of 2026. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
Not yet, not yet, but I'm sitting here talking to a few lawyers.
Okay.
I think I may have spoken with one and may go with, but right now I'm just trying to figure out
Sure.
some payment options.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, Ms. Doucette, is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to see if you can get someone hired.
Yes, ma'am.
If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of those you've talked to, so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would have to go back to jail. You understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you.
Okay.
Good morning. You're Javon Johnson. And Ms. Johnson, were you able to get someone hired?
I actually am going to this renting homes. I made her at 12 today. The being that I was back and forth out in the hospital, I hadn't been able to work. I do engines and rebuild them. I hurt my back today. She's the only one that I found that's a little bit cheaper than I can actually.
Okay, so you'll be able to get her hired, if I reset her.
Yes, ma'am. She's willing to take so much for me to.
All right, so what I'm gonna do, Ms. Johnson, is just do about a 2-week reset. Bring the reset notice that you get today to her, so she knows when that court date is, and then she'll let you know if you need to be back on that date or not. Okay, step in front of the clerk. Good morning, you're Robert Simon. So, Mr. Simon, you've been here before on 2 cases, and you've been indicted now on a new offense. Well, it's a new indictment, but it's an old offense. So that is cause number 26 DCCR 0720. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of possession of a controlled substance from August of 2024. So where are you on being able to get someone hired on your cases?
This is what I've got. Your Honor, I have tried my best. Hire an attorney.
Okay.
Done whatever you asked me to do. I've done all of it. I have some present that for you now.
Who'd you talk
Trying
to?
to hire Ralph Pembroke
Uh-huh.
as of now. It's the money situation. I'm trying to pay the bond, the bills, and him at the same time.
Are you
And-
working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because you've got that new indictment, I'll give you one more reset. I'll also allow you, if you want, to fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court appointed. I mean, it depends on what your income is, but I'll take a look at it if you want to do that.
I do. Problem is, I'm waiting on my wife to look and get her to fill it out. I'm really dyslexic. I can't see things.
Is she on her way?
Yes, I saw
Okay.
things backwards.
Notice the pattern here. The judge isn't simply giving defendants unlimited chances. Every extension comes with clear expectations. Hire an attorney, document your efforts, and return prepared. In this case, the defendant's injury earned him extra time, but that doesn't remove his responsibility. The next court date will be the real test. If you were in this situation, would you have handled it differently? Let us know in the comments.
So if I can't get her to fill it out for me. As soon as
Okay.
she gets here.
Well, if she's on, I'm gonna have you get the paperwork from the clerk, and then y'all need to fill it out accurately and completely. You're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct, so make sure you don't leave everything, things blank. But if it doesn't apply and things like that, and then I'll take a look at it. All right?
Okay.
Step in front of the clerk on the end.
Ooh, let's try this out.
Jasmine Jaquette.